Hi everyone, welcome to Notescraft. Today we dive into the magical realism world of Salman Rushdie's Midnight's Children. The spellbinding novel that has captivated readers worldwide, penned by none other than the master storyteller, Salman Rushdie. Published in 1981, Midnight's Children is a tour de force that beautifully marries history and fiction, earning Rushdie the prestigious Booker Prize, and later the Booker of Bookers and Best of the Booker, for the best novel in the award's history. The book stands as a significant pillar in the literary world, renowned for its unique narrative structure, vivid characterization, and the profound themes it explores. It's a story that transcends time and place, resonating with readers across generations and geographies. Midnight's Children is more than just a novel. It's a journey into a world where reality is as enchanting as fantasy. Ready to uncover the layers of this fascinating narrative? Stay with us. To understand the depth of Midnight's Children, we first need to understand its plot. The novel is an intricate tapestry of narratives, woven together to create a rich and vibrant depiction of India's transition from British colonial rule to independence, and eventually partition. Our protagonist, Salim Sinai, is born at the exact moment when India gains independence. The stroke of midnight on August 15, 1947. This coincidence doesn't just make him a child of independence, it gifts him with supernatural powers. Salim, along with 1,000 other children born in the first hour of India's independence, become the Midnight's Children, each gifted with their unique abilities. Salim's life, much like the newly independent India, is filled with upheavals, victories and tragedies. From his luxurious life in Bombay to the slums of Karachi and the battlefields of the Indo-Pakistan War, Salim's journey mirrors the tumultuous history of his homeland. However, the novel isn't just about Salim, it's about his family as well, spanning generations from his grandparents in colonial India to his parents in the newly independent country. Through Salim's eyes we see the trials, tribulations and triumphs of his family members, each character richly drawn and intricately connected to the larger narrative. And then there's the twist. Salim wasn't born to the family he grows up in. A nurse in a fit of revolutionary fervor switches him at birth with another boy, Shiva, who grows up in the poverty Salim was meant to endure. This switch sets off a chain of events that intertwines their destinies and shapes their lives in unimaginable ways. Rushdie's Midnight's Children is a symphony of narratives, each note contributing to the grand melody that is India's history. Yet it's more than just a historical novel, it's a fantastical journey through the streets of Bombay, the jungles of Sundarbans, and the war-torn landscapes of Bangladesh and Pakistan. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic lies in the themes and characters Rushdie has crafted. Rushdie's Midnight's Children is not just a story, it's a tapestry of themes that reflect the complex realities of post-colonial India. Let's begin by unraveling the labyrinth of identity that Rushdie weaves. The protagonist, Salim Sinai, is born at the stroke of midnight on India's Independence Day, his life irrevocably intertwined with the fate of his nation. His identity crisis, switching from a wealthy Muslim family to a street performer's son, mirrors the tumultuous identity search of a newly independent India. Next, we delve into the theme of fate versus free will. Salim believes in the deterministic view that he is handcuffed to history, his life predetermined by the moment of his birth. Yet, as the story progresses, we see him exerting his free will, challenging the notion of predestination. This dichotomy between fate and free will is a recurrent motif in the novel. A third major theme is memory and the past. Salim, with his telepathic powers, becomes the conduit of collective memory, bearing the burden of the past. Rushdie explores the power and fallibility of memory, how it shapes our identity, and how its loss can lead to a sense of disorientation. Lastly, Rushdie delves into the themes of nation and nationalism. Midnight's Children is a metaphorical representation of India, with its multitude of voices, cultures, and contradictions. The narrative is imbued with the spirit of nationalism, yet it doesn't shy away from critiquing the failures and complexities of nation-building. In Midnight's Children, these themes are not isolated threads but are intertwined, much like the diverse strands of Indian society, forming a rich, complex tapestry. Rushdie's exploration of these themes invites us to question, to reflect, and to engage with the narrative on a deeper level. These themes intertwine to create a narrative that is as thought-provoking as it is engaging. The characters in Midnight's Children are as diverse and complex as India itself. Now let's delve into this fascinating ensemble. Salim Sinai, our protagonist, is as multifaceted as the country he symbolizes. Born at the stroke of midnight, on the day India gained independence, his life becomes intertwined with the fate of his nation. A character of immense depth and complexity, Salim's narrative voice is both captivating and insightful. Padma, Salim's confidant, serves as a grounding force amidst the whirlwind of events. Her skepticism and earthy practicality provide a counterbalance to Salim's fantastical tales, reflecting the dichotomy between belief and skepticism, a theme that runs throughout the novel. Then there's Shiva, Salim's nemesis, a character who embodies the darker aspects of independence and power. His relationship with Salim explores the dichotomy of fate and free will, further adding layers to the narrative. Now, let's talk about Rushdie's unique writing style, which is as much a character in the novel as Salim, Padma, or Shiva. Rushdie employs a narrative technique known as magical realism, blending the fantastical with the everyday. This approach allows him to depict the complexities of post-colonial India in a way that is both enchanting and thought-provoking. His use of language is also noteworthy. Rushdie's prose is a celebration of linguistic diversity, blending high and low culture, incorporating multiple languages, and drawing on a range of literary traditions. This linguistic tapestry mirrors the cultural mosaic of India, reinforcing the novel's themes of diversity and hybridity. Moreover, Rushdie's narrative technique is non-linear and fragmented, reflecting the chaotic reality of post-colonial India. This fragmented narrative style, coupled with his use of magical realism, challenges the reader to piece together the story, much like Salim attempts to piece together his own fragmented identity. The characters and Rushdie's writing style together create a novel that is both a joy and a challenge to read. So, whether you're a seasoned literature enthusiast or a curious reader, Midnight's Children promises a reading experience that is both intellectually stimulating and emotionally engaging. Midnight's Children is more than just a novel, it's a significant contribution to literature. This isn't just a grand claim, it's a statement underpinned by the profound impact this book has had on the literary world. But what makes it so iconic? Let's delve deeper into its literary significance. Firstly, Midnight's Children has been a transformative force in the realm of post-colonial literature. Rushdie's vivid portrayal of India's transition from British rule to independence is as enlightening as it is stirring. The novel's unique blend of historical events with magical realism offers readers a fresh perspective on the complexities of post-colonial societies. It's a perspective that has influenced a generation of writers to explore similar themes, thereby enriching the literary landscape. Secondly, the novel's narrative style has been a game-changer. Rushdie's use of magical realism, a style where the ordinary and the extraordinary coexist, has been a catalyst for a new wave of storytelling. This unique blend of the fantastical and the real has paved the way for authors to experiment with narrative techniques, pushing the boundaries of what literature can be. But the significance of Midnight's Children isn't just about its influence on other works. The novel's brilliance has been recognized by critics and institutions alike. It's won numerous awards, including the prestigious Booker Prize in 1981, and was even named the Booker of Bookers, the best novel to have won the award in its first 25 years. This critical acclaim stands as a testament to the novel's lasting impact. In essence, the magic of Midnight's Children lies not just in its captivating story or its compelling characters. It lies in its ability to reshape the way we perceive literature. It's a novel that has challenged conventions, inspired authors, and captivated readers across the globe. It is clear why Midnight's Children is considered a masterpiece in the world of literature. Its legacy is a testament to the transformative power of a beautifully crafted narrative. So, whether you're a seasoned bibliophile or a casual reader, Midnight's Children is a journey through literature's boundless possibilities that you wouldn't want to miss. Our journey through the world of Midnight's Children comes to an end here. We've traversed the intricate narrative, rich in its themes of identity, nationhood, and the tumultuous dance of destiny and free will. We've met the characters, each a vibrant thread in the tapestry of the story, and we've discussed Rushdie's unique writing style that breathes life into them. We've also explored the literary significance of this masterpiece, its resonance in the canon of post-colonial literature, and its enduring impact on readers worldwide. But remember, the beauty of literature lies in its layers. Each reading unveils a new facet, a fresh perspective. So, I urge you to delve into the pages of Midnight's Children yourself. Let it challenge you, inspire you, and stir your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed our content, Let us know what you'd like to see next in the comments down below.